In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set Microsoft Edge as your default PDF viewer. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your device. Now go ahead and open settings on your device. So go ahead and open your settings. Now on your settings, go ahead and head over to the apps section by clicking on apps. Now under the apps and features, you'll be able to find the default apps section. So go ahead and click on the default apps section. Now once you head over to the default apps section, go ahead and scroll down at the bottom of your screen and you'll be able to choose default apps by file type. Now this will redirect you into a new page. This page takes a while to load since there are various file types available for PCs and laptops. So wait for it to load to be able to look for the PDF file type. Now on this loaded list, go ahead and scroll down and look for the .pdf file type. Once you have found that file type, go ahead and click on the current browser default for this file type and set this to Microsoft Edge. And that is how you can simply set Microsoft Edge as your default PDF viewer. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.